Hey folks, are you planning a trip overseas but unsure which smartphone is best for your trip? Well, today we'll give you a rundown of the top 5 traveler smartphones. We'll discuss each smartphone's key features, pros, cons, and its best use cases, as well as durability, features that really matter when you're on the move. And as always, the links to all of the products in this video can be found in the description below. These links will give you the best prices for the products, so make sure that you use them before you make a purchase. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It boasts a massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display, perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows and movies on long flights. The S23 Ultra packs an impressive 100x space zoom, ideal for photographing distant landmarks and scenic views. With a robust 5,000 mAh battery, it powers through a full day of exploring. Enjoy hours of GPS navigation, streaming, and capturing photos without worrying about running out of battery. It's a bit pricey and large, but the bigger screen is a game-changer for travel. Overall, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is a beast for travelers who demand the best in performance, display quality, and camera capabilities. At number 4, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The A17 Pro chip makes everything from navigating maps to editing 4K videos smooth and efficient. This powerful chip ensures that your phone runs seamlessly, even when multitasking with demanding apps. Impressive all-day battery life even with heavy use. You can rely on it to last through your entire day of adventures without needing a recharge. Whether catching Pokemon or navigating a new city, this phone keeps up. Its performance remains consistent no matter how you use it. Apple delivers top-notch image quality and video stabilization. Your photos and videos will look stunning, capturing every detail with precision. The new cinematic mode captures epic travel moments with professional depth of field. It adds a cinematic touch to your videos, making them look like they were shot by a professional filmmaker. It comes with a premium price tag, but for Apple fans, it's a worthy upgrade, especially for travel enthusiasts who want the best performance and features in their hands. Number 3, the Google Pixel 8 Pro. This device is a powerhouse in the world of smartphones, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. Known for its incredible camera performance, this year is no different. Stunning low-light photos, incredible portrait mode, and advanced computational photography make it a top choice for photography enthusiasts. The Magic Eraser feature allows you to remove unwanted objects from your photos effortlessly, making every shot perfect. Google's AI shines with real-time translation features, a lifesaver internationally. The Pixel 8 Pro offers a pure Android experience and blazing fast performance, ensuring that you can multitask and run demanding apps without a hitch. Perfect for capturing travel memories, the Google Pixel 8 Pro ensures that every moment is beautifully preserved. Number 2, the OnePlus 12 Pro, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor makes it a performance beast. Zero lag even when juggling multiple apps or editing photos. SuperVOOC, fast charging juices up from 0 to full in 30 minutes. A 5,000 mAh battery powers through a full day of travel. Sleek design and beautiful display make everything look amazing. Perfect for browsing photos, watching videos, or scrolling through social media. Ideal for travelers who value speed and efficiency. Our top pick, the Sony Xperia 1V, a hidden gem for creative travelers. Stunning 4K OLED screen for watching videos, editing photos, or browsing the web. Vibrant colors, crisp details, and top-notch HDR support. Impressive camera tech with a triple lens system for stunning photos and videos. Full manual controls and raw capture for serious photographers and videographers. Not the cheapest, but incredible value for the features and performance. Sleek design, powerful performance, and all-day battery life for travel needs. There you have it, the top 5 best smartphones for travelers in 2024. From the powerhouse Galaxy S23 Ultra to the speed demon OnePlus 12 Pro, there's a phone for every traveler. Comment below with your choice, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and travel hacks. Until next time, safe travels.